The KidKraft Shimmer Mansion Dollhouse, model 12 inches, is an intricately designed wooden playset that sparks children's imaginations with its four-level structure standing over 4 feet tall. The dollhouse comes with a 30-piece accessory kit, which includes hand-painted wood furniture and a variety of accessories such as a BBQ grill and a pet cat, allowing kids to fully furnish all 9 rooms. Additional features such as working lights, a flushing toilet, and a smoothly gliding pink elevator enhance the play experience by adding a touch of magical realism. The dollhouse's impressive size with 8 rooms across 4 levels, a working elevator, and a garage with open and closed doors provides a unique backdrop for all kinds of stories. The assembly process is relatively straightforward, with 2 people being able to set it up in approximately 2 hours or less. With a review score of 4.7 and positive feedback from 4,889 reviewers, the KidKraft Shimmer Mansion Dollhouse demonstrates high quality and customer satisfaction.